Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. So if you want to ride in style and in comfort, the way to do it is with sheepskin seat covers. Now, this is the seatbelt cover, the sheepskin seatbelt cover, and it's just so comfy to have that on top of your seatbelt right there. Sheepskin's a thermal regulator, keeps you cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and it's just great, you know, to have that and have it matched up with your seat. So this is the seatbelt cover, but you should also consider getting the custom seats matched up, console lid cover, steering wheel cover, just so you're riding, again, in style as well as in comfort. So check out this seatbelt cover, and you can do that by going over to coversandcamo.com, getting one ordered for your vehicle. This one's actually universal fit, but the seat covers are not going to be universal fit. Those will be custom fit to your make and model. Same thing with the hard console. Those are all custom fit options. Again, seatbelt cover is going to be universal fit. It goes like this. There's Velcro on it right here on the back side. Easy to install. You just put that around your seatbelt, push that Velcro together right there, and then you're all set. You're good to go. Again, you can see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.